Hello and welcome back to Cipheros, in this case Cipheros 2025. This year is going to be very packed with a lot of content, a lot of stuff and non-stop learning to level up your programming skills, specifically the backend skills, as we are going just to specialize on this field. Here is all the content that you can expect. We're going to continue with our almost daily programming every day until college series, basically sharing the path to become a 10x developer and independent enrollments, etc., basically without affecting the regular content and educational videos you have. These regular videos will be uploaded approximately once a week, so we're just going to add intensity to the uploads, diving into exciting projects, learning also some curiosities with programming, and Crashy courses, which are the stellar ones of this channel. Additionally, we have at least 3 short videos during a month, quick learning some concepts. By the way, don't forget to catch them on Instagram also, because we generally upload them first. Officially, this year we're been offering 3 full Crashy courses, which may be around to 20 to 40 episodes. We are still developing this, therefore their duration may vary. The first one is C# Productivity Crashy Coursy, which is basic C# foundations and then building some productivity apps that once you get into them basically are simple. Okay, for example, the final project will be a custom Pomodoro timer, a deep dive into C++ problem solving, which is learning the languages for the first episodes and then just getting into the complex concepts with clean explanations. And the third one will be backend foundations of Python, perfect for beginners aiming to server-side client and programming. As an extra, we had the differential calculus Crashy Coursy, which is going to be alongside with programming every day and C# productivity hack, just as the first courses. And by the way, yes, Cipheros has a math site, just it's because shapes actually our problem solving skills and everything that we are as developers. So aside of more than a learning platform, is also a community where we'll be building interactive videos, okay, where you can just participate or giving your opinions. As we grow, we're just also going to open a school or Discord server to solidify your teamwork. For now, we are deciding still. This digital zone will boost our interactions, and you will contribute to the video creation, as I mentioned you. Finally, from Jan to December on these periods, we are publishing about how it's going to be the ranking system and the levels of the Cipherians, which are basically the members of Cipheros. This simple ranking system will evaluate participation and how you are progressing on your path. All of these symbols will be different variations of metals into binomics. Thus, learn new backend skills and build amazing things with us. Are you ready to start your journey? Well, let's make this year something to remember.